The High Court of Manipur has reinstated Dr. Bhabeswar Tongbram as the Vice Chancellor of Manipur Technical University MTU. The court set aside the Chancellor's finding that he did not possess the required qualifications for the post. Justice A. Guneshwar Sharma held that the later judicial findings on Dr. Tongbram's eligibility would prevail over the earlier administrative decision. The court observed that a single judge, in an order dated October 27 of 2025, had upheld the decision of the expert selection committee that found Dr. Bhabeswar Tongbram eligible for appointment as VC. The court also noted that the state government, MTU, and the University Grants Commission had earlier taken the stand that Dr. Bhabeswar Tongbram was eligible. Since the order was not challenged by these authorities, the court held that the Chancellor's administrative decision stood merged with and was overridden by the judicial findings. Dr. Bhabeswar Tongbram was appointed as VC of MTU on November 8 of 2021 for a 5-year term. His appointment was challenged before the High Court and was set aside by a single judge in January of 2023. The division bench later set aside that order and remanded the matter for fresh consideration. The High Court has now directed his reinstatement as VC with immediate effect until November 7 of 2026 or until he attains the age of 70 years, whichever is earlier. The court allowed the ongoing inquiry into the appointment process to continue. However, it excluded issues relating to his eligibility and qualifications, as those matters had already been decided by the court.